and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Pumpkin 1 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Difficulty level of Pumpkin 1 puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to fit all 3 parts inside the frame in such a way that they're gonna cover the only opening of the frame. And yes, this puzzle has 3 parts, and now this puzzle is not assembled the correct way since it is unsolved, so you have to figure out the way how to put all 3 parts inside first and then to remove them to complete the puzzle. This puzzle is made of 2 different kinds of wood, pear and babinga, which make it look like a pumpkin. And now I will show you all 3 parts of the puzzle. They are, as always, completely different. They have completely different shape, and it's going to be quite difficult to figure out the way how to put them together first and then how to fit them inside the frame. So as you can see, each part has unique shape, and as many other Asanori Yamamoto puzzles, it is quite interesting, and it's gonna you're gonna spend quite some time to figure out the way how to put all these parts inside. Now, as you can see, I've been able to assemble some kind of a half a cube, but that's not a solution since I don't think that I can cover the opening with any of the sides of this shape. So you have to figure out the way how to fit all parts inside. If you like Pumpkin 1 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!